Hello everyone, and welcome to the workshop, How's Your Dog's Public Face, Part 2. So what this workshop will cover, it's a little bit different than most because we're discussing a test, a couple of tests actually, and looking at so many different exercises tend to be exact in each of the community canine and the urban CGC. So what I've done in this workshop is discuss or briefly outline each of the certificates, the titles and certificates, then listed and discussed the exercises involved for each level, and then provided some examples of training exercises and how you might work your training skills in preparation for a busy city setting. And rather than physically move her around, I just use my hand target.